Welcome back to the channel CAR New Model, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we've got something really special. The 2025 Mazda MX-5, a car that continues to redefine what it means to be a true driver's machine. From its stunning design to its exhilarating performance, this roadster is ready to steal your heart. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 is all about evolution, not revolution. Mazda has refined the timeless roadster look with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. The redesigned front grille and sleeker LED headlights give it a bold yet sophisticated appearance. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that perfectly balances simplicity and sophistication. The 2025 MX-5 now features more premium materials, with soft-touch surfaces and leather trim options that elevate the cabin experience. Mazda's engineers have outdone themselves with the updated infotainment system. You've got a high-resolution touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an upgraded Bose sound system with headrest-mounted speakers for that immersive top-down driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 MX-5 retains its iconic 2.0-liter Skyactiv-G engine, but with some fine-tuning for improved efficiency and a slight bump in power, now delivering 190 horsepower. That might not sound like much in the era of turbocharged monsters, but remember, this roadster is all about lightweight agility. So there you have it, the 2025 Mazda MX-5. It's a car that stays true to its roots while embracing modern advancements. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just discovering the joy of driving, the MX-5 is proof that less really can be more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 MX-5. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.